Ask,
What's important to know about blood alcohol levels?
yep, that's fine.
All right. What's important to know about blood alcohol levels, BAC levels in New York?
In New York State, the blood alcohol level can determine from the outset of the arrest what level or grade of offense that you're charged with. If the blood alcohol level from a test that you've submitted, either a breath sample, blood test, or urine test, or saliva test, yields a alcohol content in your blood of 0.06 or 0.07, then you're charged with driving while impaired. That's just a traffic ticket. It's a non-criminal offense. If the blood alcohol level, however, is 0.08 and above, then you're charged with a misdemeanor grade offense. That's a violation of penal law, even though it's under the vehicle and traffic heading. If the blood alcohol level is in the higher range of 0.18 and above, then you're charged with aggravated DWI. The New York State Legislature had recently passed a law to make aggravated DWI a much more serious grade offense. The penalties are more severe, and the prosecution has less discretion to reduce the charge down or plea bargain the charge down because it's at such a high blood alcohol level. So it's very important that the defense attorney review the blood alcohol results to determine which category you find yourself in.